Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Nelson David Mora. My age is 32 years old. I live the municipality in the Sevilla Valle. I study mental engineer. Uh, the next tax tax for it's time to the talk forum. My family is my girlfriend. She is she's like together. Um, she is 31 years old. My mother is teacher. My mother is teacher. My sister is work social. She's lived in the city Popayan. I like play soccer. I like video games. I like eating. I like drink. I like smoke. Uh, I like smiling. Smile. I like smile. I like natural sights. I like walking of the road, natural roads. Mm, eh, I like people. I like animals. I like rivers. I like mountains. This life discussion. This life BFTV. This live discussions. Mm, Dislike bad energies. Mm, Dislike controversy. Dislike no. Okay. My last travel in the Atlantic, North Atlantic, in Colombia, speciality in the beach of the Guajira, el north of Colombia, Colombian of North. Um, eh, this water was sunny. We swam in the sea. We ate fish. We enjoyed natural and fauna. Next travel planified in the Colombian Pacific, speciality Buenaventura, Valle del Cauca. Um, Enjoy sites, natural sites. Speciality. Thanks. Good night.